Aviation was built on innovation. From the invention of the first aircraft to the rise of UAVs, like safety, it's ingrained in how we think. Our innovative spirit gives us the opportunity to work with like-minded companies, like NASA, who used our airspace to trial their super-pressure scientific balloon. But innovation only counts if it makes an impact for our customers. That's why we're so proud of our role in initiatives like Collaborative Flow Manager, an award-winning system that saved airlines millions of dollars and CO2 emissions, or our performance-based navigation technology in Queenstown that allows aircraft to take off and land in poor weather and has more than doubled air traffic capacity per hour. There's innovation in the way we do business too. Airways is funded entirely by the people who use our services.